Welcome to the Observatory's Health Reform Tracker. The tracker is a tool that allows you to explore health system reforms in and across countries. The tracker is freely available and can be found on the Observatory's website and on the website of the Observatory's Health System and Policy Monitor Network, or HSPM network. Each reform found in the tracker is classified into up to 2 content clusters. There are 2 kinds: care areas and health system functions. Once you open the tool, there are several ways to look at the data available, including by reform cluster, country, content and type, and implementation status. The landing page presents first the 14 possible reform clusters and 3 options to explore time trends through a map, a heat map, and a chart showing reform activity in relation to other reform clusters. You can also take a more in-depth country perspective at the Country Reports page, either by clicking on Get Country Reports or Countries in the top right corner. The country page presents a chronological list of reported reforms for a given country with name and related clusters and an implementation status chart as of the last data update. For more detailed information on reported reforms, including cluster combinations, type of reform, content, and objectives, you can head to the Reforms page. Here you can investigate reforms by all data points and create several charts. A free text search encourages you to explore cross-cutting themes and keywords. The Implementation page allows you to compare the implementation status of reported reforms as of the last data update. It also gives reasons reforms may have been abandoned. For user convenience and reference, all charts found on the tracker are available for download. A glossary is also available at the bottom right of every page on the tracker to provide definitions of terms used to classify reforms. You also have the option to click on a reform title on any page to pull up a reform calling card, which provides further details such as a short description of the reform and any relevant Observatory and HSPM publications and updates, including related links. There's also an About page on the tracker, providing information on the Observatory, the HSPM network, and the methodology and history of the tracker, as well as any additional related publications. Thank you for being here, and we invite you to explore.